In this video, I will tell you how you can send the feedback to YouTube if your views are not counting on your YouTube studio. This is all you have to do. This video is especially for new YouTubers. Me also, I'm a new YouTuber, but I just say let me just share it to my fellow new YouTubers. I think you understand. So come, let's go. So all you have to do is to scroll down to your YouTube app. You click on it. We go to you, that is your channel. I think you understand. After this, you now click on settings and scroll down. You can see help and feedback. You now click on help and feedback. I think you understand. When you click on help and feedback, it will show this way. You will see this way. You will now click on send feedback. When you want to send the feedback, let me tell you, if you don't know the kind of feedback, or if you don't know how to write a feedback and send to them, I think you understand. All you have to do is just don't stress yourself, just go back. If you don't have chat gpt if you don't have chat gpt, you have to go to your play store and download it, but I have it already on my phone. All you have to do is, if you have it, you now click on it just to ask him the kind of feedback you will give to them of not getting views, of your views not counting on your counting this thing on your YouTube studio. You can click here. If you don't have the time to type, let's just do it fast. You will click here. My views are not counting on my YouTube studio, so I want you to give me a feedback to send to them. Please give me a good feedback that I can send to them. Think you understand? So wait for type. Okay, he said God, you want to send to YouTube because you are not counting correctly on your YouTube studio. Here's how to do it step by step and what to write when sending the feedback. How to send feedback to YouTube. Open YouTube studio. Forget about this one. You can do it on this means you can do it on YouTube studio, or you can do it on your YouTube app. I think you understand. Okay, this is the kind of message we send to them. Message to send to YouTube. Subject: my views are not counting correctly on my YouTube studio. I think you understand. You will now send them, hello YouTube team, have noticed that the views on my, you don't have to read all this. You now scroll down here, you say thank you for the help. You now put your channel name. I think you understand. This is your channel name. You put your channel name here. All you have to do is just copy it. Selected, just copy it. Just copy it. I think you understand. So you just copy it down to here. You copy it. You have to go back to your YouTube. I think you understand. You now click on send feedback. I think you understand. So you now click on get started. Listen, please don't include sensitive information. Tell us how we can improve our product. I think you understand. So you now click here. All you have to do is to paste the thing. To paste what ChatGPT gave to you. I think you understand. You now scroll down here and write your this this name. My channel name is Official Santos Comics. I think you understand. Though you have to write it Official Santos Comics. I think you understand. So that is, you will write it like this. YouTube channel name. Write it so they will know. Write it like this so they will know. After that, can just click on this. That is good. I think you understand. So I think you understand. So you now send it to them. So my could you this I think you understand. See your feedback. My views are not counting correctly on my YouTube studio. Hello YouTube team, I have noticed that my views, you can just read it. Thank you for the help. Channel name of just I think you understand. May we email you for more information or updates? If you want, you can say it. If you want, you can say no. So thanks for watching. My name is Official Santos Combs. I'm also a comedian. I also art comedian, but I just thought to share this with my fellow YouTubers. I think you understand. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, I'm rushing to hit 50 subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe if you watch this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.